Good morning to everyone. Myself Dr. Avtadi MM. Today we are going to discuss the topic modern analytical chemistry. In previous video we discussed how to determine the normality, molarity, mole fraction and molality of any chemical compound. In this lecture we are going to discuss regarding the chromatography. What is meant by chromatography? Chromatography means to identify the color of the identify the compound by using different color. Chromatography is divided into different types depending upon their stationary phase and mobile phase. In chromatography there are two phases. One is a stationary phase. Stationary phase is remains fixed, while mobile phase is movable in nature. In this gas liquid chromatography, here is a cylinder. In this cylinder gas is placed or kept. Then this is a pressure regulator, this is a flow meter, this is a sample injector, this is a column. This blue colored area indicate the column, and from column to the detector, then bridge, amplifier, recorder, and from detector there is also sample injector and also a flow meter is there. Then let us discuss the one by one. Column, this is a column, this is a cylinder. This cylinder contain the mobile phase. Mobile phase is known as a carrier gas. Carrier gas is generally helium, neon, argon, hydrogen, nitrogen. This gas is used as a carrier gas. Here carrier gas is act as a mobile phase, so that this carrier gas transfer from this cylinder to the pressure regulator, and from pressure regulator to the flow meter, and from that sample injector. This carrier gas catches the sample and transfer it into this column, and from this column to the detector. Means role of this carrier gas to transfer the sample into the column, and from column to the detector, then this sample injector. In sample injector, sample is kept. Vapor of that sample is produced. This produced vapor is transferred into the column. Sample which is kept in the sample injector, this sample we are going to identify it, so that name is chromatography. Then this column is generally U or W shape. This column is 1 to 20 meter in length, but to save this space it is bent to U or W shape. This column contain stationary phase. The stationary phase inside the column is a liquid. To support that liquid, solid materials are used inside this column. Liquid used generally in this case is silicone oil, polyglycol, etc. and solid supporter used for this liquid is calcite, then fine powder of fire bricks, etc. Means consider this is a column. Inside this column there is a liquid, and to support that liquid we used a solid here. Okay, means this liquid cannot be moved. When this carrier gas carries the sample from this column at that time, due to the supporter present inside the liquid, cannot be moved in forward direction. This column is made up from the aluminum, copper, etc. Okay, and this, after that, it is transferred to the detector. Detector monitor the component which is come from this column. It identify the element present in that component. Then it gets transferred toward to the amplifier. Amplifier amplifies it and it gives the graph. This graph, from this graph we can identify which chemical is present in this sample injector. Means this method is used for identification of the compound which is present in the sample injector. By using this method, we can easily identify the any compound. Consider if we not know the if we not know the name of that compound, this name of that compound can be also easily identified by using the gas liquid chromatography. Then next, uses or application of this method. This method is used in separation of all classes of organic compound. Means consider a chemical formula CH4. By using this method, you can easily identify how many carbon atom is present there, how many hydrogen atom is present there. Second application, it is used in petroleum industry for analysis of gasoline, wax, petrol, diesel, kerosene, naphtha, dry cleaner, etc. Means it is used in petroleum industry. Petroleum industry means a separation of the mineral. Separation of mineral means to separate the petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Then number third application, this method is used in food industry. It is employed to account for color and flavor of the food. Means this method is used of whether sufficient amount of the color or flavor of that chemical or any food material is present or not. Number fourth application, it is used in cosmetics to check the composition, that is, it is used to identify or to control the quality of product. Then it is also used in preparation of the different drugs. It is also used in preparation of different electrical component, etc. Okay, thank you.